I should be on a bike doing this or something.
Take it on a trip.
Oh.
Love that smell?
Yes.
Ready? Get it behind me, like behind my shoulders. So fucking slippery. Oh, I got it now.
Cement.
Kicking rocks on my face.
Yeah, dude, it kicks him up mad. Wait, I got an idea, yo. Take off like
Not even gassing it.
You gotta jump it off something now.
I don't want it to go into the lake.
Good point. Oh crap. I'd scream "own" so loud if it went in the water.
You want to hit this thing going like 40?
Not good.
Are you filming?
Yes. Dude, I bet you could jump the driveway with it, maybe. Dude, get on that side where it's all like low and just see how far it'll go.
I don't want the throttle to open up, like, if I go, make it go too far.
That was nice.
You want me to make it jump it?
Yeah? That'd be so gnarly.
Okay, now cut it here so... Oh, it hit me in my nutsack. I'm glad it's still running without the car filter on.
Like massive ball sacks of gravel up in there.
can barely keep it on the fucking track. Team Associated .15 RC10GT, baby!
You forgot to release the handbrake and signal right while checking your blind spot.
The carb is clean!
I'd so much rather watch that thing than Jason on his little queer ass Florida. Oh dang.